Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
Good morning, afternoon, or good evening. This is another Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute motivation. Now I'm bringing you just 1 minute, but why not get yourself 30 minutes for free, one-to-one? Come over to ldlcall.com, book your time slot, and we can have a chat, can't we? See what you want to do in your life, and how we can get you started. But first, before all of that, here is your quote for today. Be happy and smile. It's simple, and it might not feel it, but trying to approach things with a positive smile will lead to some surprising outcomes. Your smile is contagious and can lead to someone else having that smiling feeling too, and also a little bit of happiness. Spread your magic, spread your happiness, and definitely spread your smile.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.